Welcome back. It's the Higher Table Podcast. Giving you the updates on comes to the entertainment. Today we're looking at Master KG. And is one of the most successful DJ who's currently dominating the international stages. Since he dropped that track featuring Nomcebo. The track is Jerusalem. I have never looked back. Have been shining, shining, shining. Like, yeah, man, the track we're about to talk about, the song that dropped around May, which is called Shine Your Light, which is Master KG and David Guetta, featuring Akon. The track have been doing good, also the charts. So right now, the music video is about to drop, guys. Anytime from now, we have the music video that's going to be dropping. Music video shot by Kelly White. Most people, you know him, man. He have shot so many videos in South Africa. Man, I'm telling you, it's one talented guy when it comes to this music video thing. Like the graphics and the motion. So, he's done well for himself. Yeah, so he flied that side and then, he got there, shot the music video, which is what you seeing now on the screen, which is just a trailer. But yeah, man, I can't wait to see the full music video once he drops the music video. Come on, yeah? What are we looking for? What are we asking for if we're not asking for the great quality, the dopest music video from one of our own? Beside an artist, we're also talking about the guy behind the camera, KW or Kelly White. You might have seen him on the TV in a meaning. Yeah, man, this is the Higher Table Podcast Entertainment Update. And from there, Amara here. But don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment or suggest anything that you feel that we need to look at. Bakomfamus. Nda Amara here. Auna nazimwe. Ndibafuna zone.